Alright, so package just came in. Super easy install. Has the arrows that point up. And then the dividers has the arrows that also point up. In the area that tells you what goes to the front. All you do is you slide the openings in. Once the openings are in, just make sure that both sides are facing the front and that all the pieces are facing up as the arrows are pointing. Once you got it, it's super easy to install. Basically, make sure the arrows are pointing towards the front. You're going to put it in at an angle, and then you're going to turn it. Once it's turned, it's going to lock in place. You're going to have access to your auxiliary cord right there that you can easily access into it. Fits right in. It's going to be great for sorting all your assorted tools or anything that you need.